Hello guys, welcome back to our Let's Code PandaCraft.co. And yeah, so we last left off with making our navigation bar, and now we just need to make our content here. So what I think I'm gonna do, let's go, get Bootstrap, our best friend over here. Let's go to components. I think we're gonna add some wells. Yeah, alright, yeah, let's add some wells. Okay, so I think here we're gonna add our event log. Yeah, that sounds cool. Everyone wants an event log. Alright, so I'm in our index.php. No, not PHP. .html. We can actually. Oh my god, why is this lagging a lot? Visual Studio's kind of something. It sometimes gives me doesn't like me sometimes. Like right now. I don't want to have to restart this. Please, come on. Be nice with me for today. Come on. Alright, yeah, it's being a dick. Of course. Do you want to stop debugging? Wait, hold on. Yeah, let's stop debugging. That might be why. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we're still in the div class container. Alright, that's good. Let's add a break right here. And let's type in h3 event logs. Actually, that sounds really stupid. Why do we want that? Not everyone's good. That's more for programming to write event log. Updates and news. That's good. Not really. Font. Color equals. Let's get a dark blue. So I have color picker opened right now. All these links will be in the description, by the way, guys. So don't worry. Color picker, hashtag, blah blah blah. Size equals maybe 5. I think that'll be good. Now let's type in. Zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see the code. Let's type in updates and news. Alright, that kind of sticks out a little bit. Maybe a lighter blue would be better. Update and news. No. Whoops. That's kind of good. Let's try getting this. I don't want it to look like a link, but I want it to be, yeah, that's good. We also want it to be bolded. So, there you go. Updates and news, perfect. Not really. Close enough. I don't even know. Are they using Arial? I don't know. Yeah, I think they're using Arial. Just in case. This should be much larger, actually. It should be the largest, I think. No. 6. Yeah, that looks good. Updates and news, you can see that. Alright. The next one here we're gonna want to type in is BR. Let's see. We want to have a well. Definitely. So we're gonna type in h3, and within this header 3. Actually, let's go into comments. Yeah, let's just comment some things. So let's type in navigation bar. Start container for main body. Just as a good reference. Whatever, we don't need that right now. It's like this. Whatever, we don't need a comment right there. Um, container. Oh, no. For nav. Now this is our main container right here. Div container. Wait, is that how you actually do it? Yeah, here we go. Including libs. We also want to add the Google AAP thing, ASPI thing, APIs. We'll do that in the next episode. For now, we can just do this. Yeah, so we got some comments going on. Update to news break. Update logs. Okay, header 3. New website. So now we should have new website right there. But we want this to be farther away. So let's do 2 breaks. That looks good. Not really. New website. Small. What's today's date? 6/21-15. Yeah, we need to add and NBSP. Little space right there. Yeah, there we go. Now we can add the well. So we need to type in within here, outside of there, div class equals well. That's pretty self-explanatory. So let's type in testing to see if the well works. Alright, see the well, it works perfect. We can actually get out of this break character and get rid of the small to see if the well works. Alright. So within here we can type in font size equals 3 maybe. Welcome to our new website. Our last website was kind of ugly, and so I this real panda, that's my in-game name, decided to, actually, if we really want to be more formal, I believe this is how you really do it, decided to code a new website for my Minecraft server. There might be some bugs and glitches due to the fact that I'm not a fully I don't want to say that. I don't want to say fully professional coder. Due to the fact that I self-made this website. Thank you for stopping by, and please give me your feedback. Share this site with your friends, and be sure to check it out every now and then for important updates pertaining to the server. Okay, that's kind of a lot. Font size 4 maybe. Yeah. Center B. I'm just writing a little bit about the site. This, keep it in the center. This site was made purely with HTML, PHP, CSS, and JavaScript / jQuery. I used Bootstrap in order to get the CSS files. Here you can download Bootstrap. BR a href equals http:// getbootstrap.com. Here we go. Get Bootstrap. Here we go. Get Bootstrap. There we go. So we have an event log right here. We can add this a bunch of times. I'm just going to show you an example of how we can do this. Watch this, guys. We actually want this to go in order like this. So this would be the original, and this would be a new one. So see, new website 2. So people would scroll down and see, oh, this came first, and this is next, kind of like that. But since this is the only real event log that I have, you know, we only need this. Now this isn't the most professionally coded website, and I think we should have our, this nested inside of a center tag. Update to news. Yeah, that kind of looks better. Although then this kind of sticks out. I like it. And see in here you can kind of see that we have the comments here. So it looks nice. Oh, I also added the viewport content with device with initial scale, so it kind of keeps the initial scale and it's better suitable for mobile devices. Also, guys, another quick thing I want to tell you is that all this code will be in a GitHub or Pastebin, because a lot of the time, you guys might want to be following along with what I do, and you might type something in wrong or something, and it might fuck up your whole file thing. So maybe you want to download the file just as a reference to make sure that you're following along correctly and stuff like that. So yeah, that's going to be in the download link in the description. So see here, we have PandaCraft home. Amazing. Yeah, this is fucking beautiful. We might add a carousel eventually. We might do that later on. Next is the about page. Alright, so let's go to the about. About is going to go to... Whoa. We might want to be a little bit more organized and add another folder called other pages, which actually we might do. We'll do that right now, just to be better organized with our code. New folder. Let's call this external _ files. So in here we can have our PHP sender, mail sender, our loggers and stuff like that. We don't need that right now. We'll do that more when we have a functional website. So now let's add our about page. Add new item. Let's type in, no, not a new item. Where's HTML? HTML. Oh, by the way, don't use XML. XML and HTML are completely different. People get that mixed up a lot of the time, or at least my friends do. About.html. Oh, now what a lot of bigger websites do is they have a bunch of they name it about _main, about _libs and stuff like that, because they need to be more organized like that. We don't, because we're not into that kind of stuff. We know we're not that popular yet. We could just copy this whole head tag right here. Head. Right there. And instead we can type in here about. Now let's copy over our navigation bar. We can type in here end of nav. So we need to copy this whole thing in here. To some people this might be a lot of work, but it's really not a lot of work. About.html. This goes to index.html, index. I just want to put about.html. Now here we're gonna want to get this out of the home page because obviously the home page isn't active anymore. It's the about page that's active. See? All right. Now with the about page, um, we're gonna actually do something a little bit interesting. My G key is flickering like crazy because it's broken. um, let's see, what do we want in here? The grid system. Here we go. We're gonna actually add the staff members. Yeah. So okay, this is gonna get a little complex. Yeah. So if you guys want to follow along, actually no, I'm gonna end the video right here, and we're gonna do this in the next episode. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.